Live right now, you know what I'm saying? We're chilling, we're chopping it up. Yeah, I want to make sure y'all make it to the live. Going live Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays. You see me? I will go live every day. You know what I'm saying? If y'all up for it, but y'all gotta let me know. You know what I'm saying? But every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, we're definitely gonna go live. You know what I'm saying? Anytime anything mad going on, we're definitely gonna go live. So y'all wanna stay tuned for the lives. You know what I'm saying? The live's gonna be lit. It's only the start of it. You know what I'm saying? Live gonna be lit, gonna be crazy. We're gonna have girls on here, vibes on here, drinks on here, crazy guests on here. So y'all want to pay attention to the lives, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. Yeah, man, that was intense. Moga intense with this thing on that track, man. Roze done did a track, you know, titled JiFF. I don't know if y'all want to see that. Let's get it. JiFF. Let's see. Do y'all want to see this? Huh? Just want to make this start of the last reaction for the night. Call it a day. Yeah, we'll be streaming for damn near an hour. Yeah, like hour 15 minutes. You know what I'm saying? Almost hour and 20. This want to be the last reaction. Then we call it a night. Alright. Yeah, this Roze done JiFF. Or I check out Roze done. So a dog got deal with. I don't know. Roze done. I like Roze done style of music that he making some fun, gallus, money vibing type tune. I like it. You know what I'm saying? Last song we react to him was Buckshot. You see me with some girl going body night and something. Yeah man, that was definitely for the girl them. But yeah man, thing got one named JiFF. Most like he might talk about car or he might talk about peanut butter. One of them. You know what I'm saying? But JiFF, I think he's talking about cars like, you know, TJ School film, hit song JiFF. People are going to car team, so I'm thinking JiFF referring to car, so I check it one, see how I'm going. Not to hold up the vibes much longer. This is Roze done JiFF. Let's get it. See? I see how I'm talking about that. I'll make some fun type music. See the beat already, the energy up, give you a bounce already. Yeah, bro, I like his music, bro.
Yeah, man. Yo, country, by hypes. I've two things afoot when I listen. I'm a day, I'm a vibes now. Give me beer, I'm a fuck sure. Be a drink rum, big spliff. And I be a gunman up in a this. Be a chick, me be empty a clip. Violence, man, everything.
Yeah, drink rum. One spliff, and then be a gunman up in this. Yeah, man. But tell her I like this nigga. I like this nigga vibe. I like this nigga type of music, bro. Don't stop, Roze done.
Chris, I just dancing in JiFF. I'm a fuck them, I kick it, be my tired, them a skid. We are JiFF. Gear down, stick shift. She say it a move swift. Oh, you think we reach as a quick in dirty V6 and a turbo at twin. Sicky, you will get a box by your chin, bad man a come true.
Yeah, bro, I like this man music. His videos are always lit. His videos always a vibe, bro. Make you want to bounce on them thing. You know what I'm saying, man? A party tune, him that make. Vibes tune, energy pan the ends tune. Yeah.
One is a army, a with yourself. What a girl full of party. I mean, what a party full of Barbie. My God, put the table, you're so charged.
Man say, what a girl full of party. What a girl full of party. I mean, what a party full of Barbie. Easy, you know?
Tell it back a girl, them say we a drink rum, big spliff, and a beer.
Yo dog, don't judge me. The rum stripe them bad, and me never have any rum stripe them, you know. Yo, no, don't ban me, don't take away my Jamaican card, bro. It's permanently attached, my G. But the rum stripe them, I knew juice red stripe come out with. Cause I don't be one of them days, I need to find the stores up here. I know we can't find it, bravo. I know which part of Florida we can't find that, people.
A gunman up in a this. We a cheap, we empty a clip. No violence, man, everything. Cause I just sit dancing in JiFF. I'm a fuck, them a kick it, be my tired, them a skid. We a JiFF. Gear down, stick shift. She say it a move fast. Fuck up in your anger and left them in nice style. You know, she say them last. The guy bird and you fly past.
Left them in nice style, you know, she say them last.
If you want to dance, them buy you one flask. And watch it, clean fuck them a go and look out. Me a sweat cause they white, them a talk to me. Them
why you don't talk to me? Them people don't sell a pharmacy. You already know what time it is. You know what I'm saying?
Drink rum, big spliff, and I be a gunman up in a this. We yet sick, me we empty a clip. Na violence man, everything is a
sick head, empty a clip. Boop, 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 boop.
Just a dance name JiFF, JiFF. I'm a fuck them a kick it, be my tired, them a skid. Now we a JiFF, 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 JiFF. Gear down stick shift, she say it a move.
Troll, man, enjoy the one, the guys. The one, the bad man. To them. Yeah, man. Mad tune, people. What y'all think about that one? That was dope. You know, that was definitely.
Você já imaginou fazer a capa de vídeo e prever se ela vai.
Nice, yo. Yeah, man, that was Roze done. JiFF, dog, I do him thing, man. I really dope track right there. So, Roze done, big up yourself. You know what I'm saying? Keep doing your thing with G. I like your songs. Your songs is like, they're very part energetic, you know what I'm saying, type shit. And I'm like, yeah, man, we get that one, yeah, man. That was Roze done, people. JiFF, definitely a vibe. I wouldn't even hear that in the club, you know what I'm saying. Our parties and them thing, the DJ them if you do them thing, you know. I play about tune them. But yeah, man, people. Yeah, I think so. This is how we're gonna end it, you know. Yeah, see me, let me know what you think. We ain't get too deep in that track, you know what I'm saying? Now, you know, next time when we got more people and stuff to participate in the conversation, we can keep it going. You know what I'm saying? But stay tuned and keep an eye out, keep a lookout. My videos, we're gonna start going live more often, so definitely keep a lookout and stay tuned. We're gonna start try to go Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at least 3 times a week, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So definitely look out so we can start, you know.